The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration is right now investigating engine failures in trucks built between 2021 and 2024. Let that sit. The $60,000, $70,000, and $80,000 machines rolling off dealer lots today are under federal investigation for failing. Meanwhile, there are trucks in private driveways and on used lots, some under $10,000, that will quietly outlast every one of them. Not junkers. Overbuilt workhorses people are sleeping on. Today we count down 10 of them, and by the end you'll know the exact year, engine, and reason each one survives, while the new stuff dies. Stick around for number 1, because that truck is the direct answer to the investigation I just mentioned. Why does this matter right now? The modern pickup is the most complex it has ever been. Turbos under boost all day, cylinder deactivation shutting off half the motor to chase a few miles per gallon, 10-speed transmissions, touchscreens running what used to be a cable and a lever. Every one of those is a future repair bill that detonates the moment the warranty ends. These trucks were built before that disease spread, and the clean ones shrink every month as they get bought, wrecked, or scrapped. This isn't nostalgia, it's a window, and it's closing. Number 10, the GMC Sonoma from 1994 to 2004. Ancient, yes, but it came with the 4.3-liter Vortec V6, basically a Vortec V8 with 2 cylinders cut off. No turbo, no variable valve timing, nothing to fail. The forums joke that the door handles break and the radio quits, but the engine and transmission sail past 300,000 miles. Parts are dirt cheap because it's shared so much with the Chevy S10 and Blazer, $3,000 to $5,000, and it will outrun your neighbor's EcoBoost on its third engine. Number 9. The Nissan Titan, 2008 to 2015. Criminally ignored, a 5.6-liter V8, the VK56DE, for a fraction of a comparable Tundra. After 2008, Nissan reinforced the rear differential, the main early complaint. Owners rave about the power and the zero-gravity seats, the same principle used in aerospace seating. One check on high-mileage trucks: listen for ticking at cold startup. That can mean cracked exhaust manifolds. Use it to knock down the price. A massive V8 truck at a discount? Nobody's watching. Number 8. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 from 1999 to 2006. The GMT 800 running the LS-based 5.3-liter Vortec V8, an engine family with a near mythical durability reputation. But the part that matters most: no active fuel management, no cylinder deactivation. Remember that federal investigation from the start? Hold that thought, because cylinder deactivation is the thread tying this whole video together, and we pull it at number 1. Owners call this the cat eye generation, and you can swap a water pump yourself in under an hour. Fixable by anyone, anywhere, for almost nothing. Number 7. The Honda Ridgeline, 2009 to 2014. Yes, a unibody Honda tows less than the others, but for someone not dragging a fifth wheel, it's a revelation. The 3.5-liter J35 V6 is one of the most refined engines Honda ever built, and owners routinely report 200,000 miles on routine maintenance alone. Snow country drivers swear by the all-wheel drive, and there is a lockable, waterproof trunk built into the bed floor. It survives by being engineered properly in the first place, which in this era is its own kind of rebellion. Number 6. The Mazda B-Series, 1994 to 2009. Mechanically a Ford Ranger. Same frame, engine, and drivetrain, just different sheet metal. So why rank it instead of the Ranger? Almost nobody searches for it by name, so buyers who know find the identical truck for less. The community calls it dodging the Ranger tax. The B2300, the 2.3-liter 4-cylinder, is the sweet spot for economy and simple. If you are a first-time buyer on a budget, hunt this one down on purpose. Quick pause. If you are already thinking about which of these you would find, hit subscribe, because I tear down exactly these mechanical and financial traps every week. Now the top 5, where reliability becomes the truck's entire identity. Number 5. The Ford Ranger, 1998 to 2011, The 2.3-liter Duratec 4-cylinder. One word makes it special: non-interference. If the timing belt snaps, the pistons and valves don't collide. You replace the belt and drive away. The forums call this truck the cockroach, and that's a compliment. There's a known thud from the front pulling away from a stop. Totally harmless. A $10 tub of grease on the drive shaft slip, yoke, and it's gone. Number 4. The Suzuki Equator, 2009 to 2012. The best kept secret here. It is a Nissan Frontier, literally built by Nissan. The same 4.0-liter V6, the same frame, the same everything. Suzuki badged it, sold it briefly, then left the US market. Now it sells at a discount compared to the identical Frontier purely because buyers do not recognize the name. Every Frontier part fits, insurance often runs cheaper, and owners joke the badge is a theft deterrent. Find a clean one, and it is a no-brainer. Number 3. The Toyota Tacoma, 2013 to 2015, and the year range is everything. The final form of the second-generation Tacoma, with the 4.0-liter 1GRF EV6, is a truck with a motor that has a genuine cult following, and the motor is tougher than the 3.5 that replaced it. By 2013, Toyota had fixed the frame rust that haunted earlier trucks. Owners call it the Goldilocks truck. One quirk, some lean slightly to the driver's side, nicknamed the Taco Lean. Just suspension geometry, doesn't hurt a thing. Number 2, the Nissan Frontier, 2011 to 2019. Before 2011, coolant could seep into the transmission through the radiator, infamous as the strawberry milkshake of death. But Nissan redesigned the radiator in 2011, and from then on, it became one of the most reliable trucks money can buy. A 4-liter VQ40D EV6 runs a timing chain, not a belt, so no 100,000-mile service waiting to ambush you. The oil filter faces straight out the front, so an oil change takes 10 minutes. These routinely hit 200,000, 250,000, even 300,000 miles. And now, number 1. It is not close. The Toyota Tundra, 2007 to 2021, with the 5.7-liter iForce V8, naturally aspirated, no turbos, no variable displacement, and critically, no cylinder deactivation. Now let me close the loop. That federal investigation comes down to complexity added to chase fuel economy. The clearest example is General Motors. There is an active class action lawsuit covering 2014 to 2021 General Motors trucks with the 5.3, 6.0, and 6.2 V8s, alleging the active fuel management lifters fail, turning a $1,200 repair into a $7,000 engine replacement. The system designed to save fuel is the system eating the engine. While General Motors fought lifter failures and Ford bolted turbos onto everything, Toyota just kept building this one understressed V8. The million-mile Tundra is not a myth. Owners praise the transmission's thermal management, towing near maximum in summer heat without complaint. It costs more used because the reputation is earned and priced in. But even a 2010 example at 120,000 miles beats a brand new truck with a failure-prone powertrain and a federal investigation hanging over it. So here's what this list is really about. Every truck survives for the same reason. It was built before complexity got mistaken for progress. No deactivating cylinders, no boost all day, no computer deciding when your engine is allowed to work. The thing that makes new trucks fail is the exact thing these don't have. The escape from dealer repair bills isn't financial, it's mechanical, and it's sitting on used lots right now for a fraction of a new payment. But the clean ones are disappearing fast. The window to own one outright, with no payment and no computer between you and your truck, is open today and narrower tomorrow. So do one thing. Drop your engine code in the comments, the one you're running or hunting, and let's build a map of the survivors. And if you want to know the financial trap the dealer runs the second you walk in to buy one of these, that's the next video. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.